It was President Mike Saysay who said that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Those who are blessed in life should look more in love. So when I was in 2010, when that was the year when I resigned from as a public lawyer, I was thinking that if I could serve the public attorney's office in a more, I could serve them in a more higher level by running as a Sagulang Bayan of Sugod sa Leyte. So that was the point where when I decided to resign from my job and to offer myself as a legislator for our local place in Sugod.
Thank you. And for question, last two questions before we end the press con so that we can start the sports.